You have no, I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Why do it? Yeah. We can do it tonight, tomorrow night, whenever you want. Let's quit on me. I'm gonna get an F in makeup. Isn't he scary? Yeah, just a sec. I'm almost finished with my assignment. Where should I set up? Kitchen table. Oh, I love kitchens. Hey, Andre. What's that supposed to mean? Oh, that's so creative. Do Tori now. Makeup time. Sure, let's get started. Hey, can Andre be my assistant? You can ask him. Andre, you want to help me put monster makeup on Tori's face? Yay, I'm not a failure. Oh, you really think so? Turn to the light. Okay. Look at him, he's like a fuzzy cat. Hey, I'm sorry. I got distracted by the picture of the cute grizzly bear. I'm sorry. Worst comes to worst, you postpone the play. No, I can't. Sophia Michelle is coming to see it. Oh wow, that's so exciting. I didn't read the label. Don't make me feel bad. No, you don't understand. It's all over her face. Well, calm down. After school, I'll go with Trina to Bakersfield, pick up the solvent, drive back, and get the makeup off your face before the play starts. Uh-huh. 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 Okay, bye. Well, they don't sell it in stores. Hi, Gail, it's Kat. Where do we get it? I don't know. Ask the man. It's a lady. Oh, I think that's your phone. I know. Find it. Okay. Shut up. Trina, maybe you should pull over if you're gonna put on lip gloss. Maybe you should talk less. That's what my dad always says. You know what, Valentine? Cause girl, I really want ya. And you're looking nice. Got me cooler than a bag of ice. Now, Now go. Shove it fast and move it real slow. Oh, what? You smell so fruity. Sing the next line. I can't. Why not? It's dirty. We want you, Freezy Queen. That's so hurtful. Because it says the fake snow is toxic and can cause abdominal bleeding. This catalog. Wait. I want to show you what I got. Okay. Now, walk towards me. Closer. Closer. It's the world's best alarm necklace. The world's brightest keychain. Too bright? No. Can I borrow some money for lunch? $49.95 plus shipping. It was supposed to get here. Hey, why are you shooting this? Who are you with? Oh. It's the world's most powerful portable juicer for juicing on the go. Why chew what you can drink? Do you want me to juice your bagel? I really don't. Not anymore. I started using my parents' credit card. The ball freshener. Do you have a girlfriend? You have a credit card? Why don't you call me sometime? Oh my god! A letterbox that plays classical music!